Okay, so the question was, why is the slope of this 0? So let's start by just grabbing a couple of points and calculating it and see what it does. So I'm kind of arbitrarily going to pick 0, 2 right here, and then 3, 2. And I could have picked any 2 points on that line. That's just the 2 I picked. And then up here is our slope formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So let's do that. So y2 minus y1 would be 2 minus 2, and then x2 minus x1 would be 3 minus 0. So that's my x1, y1, and my x2, y2. Calculating that, I get 2 minus 2 is 0 over 3. 0 divided by 3 is 0. And so our slope does come out to 0, and that's because our change in y right here is 0. And again, change in y is just literally subtracting the y coordinates. And if you notice, the y coordinates for this one is always 2, right? It never changes. So its change in y is, it doesn't go up or down, it just stays there for 2 no matter what value of x. In terms of thinking of this just kind of like hiking, for instance, if I said, yeah, we're going to go on a hike and there's no slope, the slope is 0, this is what you're expecting. You're expecting something flat. The other one that's worth looking at here is when you have a vertical line. In this case, when you do the rise over run, so for a horizontal line, which was this one, you have no slope or no rise, any kind of run you want. But for a vertical line, you have all kinds of rise. That would be like a 3 in this case, but then there's no run. So that's the one that's undefined, or DNE. So in general, if you have a horizontal line, m equals 0. If you have a vertical line, then m is undefined, or DNE. Hopefully that helps.